clients want to come to my house, but I really want nobody to come to my house, to be honest. That's the reason why one of my criteria is you must have your own place so I can come to you. Because when I really want to botanist in our place. Unless we are official and unless we say, okay, I tour with that together, then yes, I can come to my place. But otherwise from that, I don't want no random come to my house. So I'd rather to go to somebody who's in my complex right now. So I'm going to have some fun with somebody who's in my complex. I think that's safe. So I'm going to have to carry my key, come my fingerprint, and my code. I have a code on my door. My fingerprint open my door. So I'm going to have to carry my key. I'm going to have to carry my phone. I'm going to have to carry nothing with me. I can leave everything at home and just walk to the apartment and go enjoy my local friend, smoke or do a local liquor vibes or whatever it is. I'd rather to do that than to have somebody to come to me, to be honest. Because you can only come to my house when we are official. If we're not official, we can't come. Because I don't want people to walk through. Again, this is my business and I have to protect it as well. And then people already have a lot to say about the business and I don't want to add anything onto it, to be honest. You get me? So I have to protect it. It's bringing me an income in. And my TikTok family also who's supporting me, who's sending me gifts, which I really appreciate. So yes. So I have to do what I have to do. Super high. So I'll see you later. I feel like I want to pee. So let me go pee. And I met an LGBT person who's in my building. So let me go there and chill. T, Shauna and John Swag was supposed to have my address. So it's gonna come live tomorrow by 2 o'clock. I'm in my apartment complex. But I should be fine, guys. I can manage my own. I can make angle. So guys, thank you guys for staying online with me to make sure I got home safe. The club was lame. I'm thinking about going back again tomorrow because it's a holiday, or tonight. Let's see how that works out for us. If not, we'll stay home. We will chill. We'll stay home and stuff. But thank you guys. I really do appreciate my TikTok family very much. I thank you guys so much for always sticking with me, staying with me and stuff. Even for the haters who come and watch me. Even if you hate me, I always ask you to tap my screen 3 times if I'm playing a match, just for the points to go up. And that's it. So I thank you guys so much. So we'll see you guys, chat. It's actually 4:17 right now. I will see you in the morning. I'm going to bring the phone with me that I can call on if anything. I'm going to still be in my complex. My complex has 20 different buildings. It's a big complex. I did ask my landlord for the key, for the code to the pool, because I want to take you guys to the pool one day also, because I really want to go in the pool. So hopefully I can take you guys to the pool someday this week or next week. I'm waiting for the landlord to change over his number to my number for the gate code, so I can give Amazon the gate code also, because some of my packages are being delayed because I do not have a gate code. My lease began on the 15th, and it is now to the 19th. So there's 4 days in that my lease began. So it will definitely take time for everything to transition over into my name. And I've been here since early this month. So let's see how it works out. So give my landlord a couple of time. I should have my gate code. I should have access to the pool. I can bring you guys to the pool with me. I can go for a dip. I can dive. Just entertain you guys pretty much. I'm not a pool guy. We will see how it goes, to be honest. So have a good night, chat, or good morning, my UK people. In America, it's 4 o'clock. So if you guys are getting up to get ready to go to work, I'll come on once I wake up again, guys. I'll be on this page today, and tomorrow I will be on the King Trev backup until my agency can unban my main page. I should be good. So good night, guys. I'll see you guys. Have fun. I hopefully I'm able to have fun. And have a good night, guys, okay? Bye. Good night, guys. I mean it. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you for those who play on the birthday match and for those who bought the candy on the 26%. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'm now 26. And again, my mom loves me. I'm not by my mom's love. And I appreciate that so much, that my mom loves me for who I am and stuff, and I don't have to be doing the most. And I appreciate that I have a family now, even though Tikki may have influenced people not to support me anymore. I'm still appreciative for those who stick around with me and still showed me love and showed me appreciation. You guys have sense, and you guys are not, allowing the very tone fee influence you guys. I thank you. Hey, Tikkas, I thank you so much. And I'll be on tomorrow on this page promoting my candy and playing couple match and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys when I wake up. Bye.